powerful are our minds? It's an interesting question. I personally believe our minds are vastly more powerful than we understand. Vastly. I believe like we have that boom, boom, boom spark of the Tao within each of us. The God spark of the God mind within each of us, and that kind of, we are creators. That's what we do as humans, and we, it's through our minds. Our minds are the beginning of how we create. And so I'm just really interested in the idea of what can I really manifest if I get my mind, if I create a more effective mind in myself.
To become more involved in the Heart Mind Center, join our community and explore our membership options.
Also, check out our podcast, Mindflow Radio.
Mindflow Radio.